Chief Peripherals, Mark Enterprises, E Paniwala for always being there, Saffron Tree, Vula, Bagless Tea, Cataflies, Preschool and Sunny Alana Group, Sri Krishna Group, RK Healthcare, Itrani, Nutricor, Vishwakala Bharti, Rajesh Joshi and Ganesh Mobile. With this we start with the categories and we would want our sponsors. We will go sponsor wise. So calling Kunal and Chaitali from Nutricor to please come on the stage and do the honors. वो पूरा bag move करना होगा भाई. So we already experienced Nutricor, उनका stall था यहाँ पे. So thank you so much. There are various categories, but before that, let me give the good news of who the most valuable player or players of the tournament in 3 categories are. For the women's, we have Divya Dasoni, a big round for her. Right? Yeah. So Divya, you are going to steal the show here. There are many awards for you. आप रुक जाइए. Divya happens to score 14 sixes, which is a mammoth. And she scored 126 runs, being the best batter and the highest run aggregator in the women's category. So big round for Divya. Okay. Divya, we'll call you again, but आप चलिए अभी. We move on to the next category. And the player of the tournament for 40 plus is Gaurav Dhruv. Gaurav Dhruv from Oberoi Sky City. And जब तक वो चलते हैं तब तक मैं बताता हूँ कि उन्होंने क्या रिकॉर्ड तोड़े हैं आज. So Gaurav scored a mammoth of 204 runs in the tournament. 26 sixes. Yeah. So here we are, Gaurav Dhruv. We get on to the next category, under 40. This was most valuable, best batter. Yeah. We are going category wise. We'll come back. How did Gaurav Dhruv be women's category? We'll do that. Under 40 category, the player of the tournament is Ashish Negi. VU Mighty Hitters. So Ashish also happens to be the best bowler with the wickets tally of 10 wickets. Most valuable and best bowler. एक साथ दे दो, ठीक है? Because we'll clear it. We'll clear it. हम दोनों को दे देंगे. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's go with the flow. Yeah. 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 Okay. इनका मोस्ट फोर्स एंड मोस्ट सिक्सेस देख लेते हैं. In the sixes category, we had Gaurav Dhruv, Divya, and we have Raj with 26s. Raj Tagade, Country Park. Most fours. Most fours we have Gaurav Dhruv with 7 fours. We've got Mamta Pawar with 4 fours. VOF. Is Mamta around? Gaurav, for most fours category, please come on the stage. And since Raj is not there, but he is amongst most fours also. Now, from a wickets tally, Ash Negi. We'll do that. We'll see last game में और इसमें थोड़ा references में थोड़ा error दिख रहा है. We'll hold back. We'll hold back. No worries. हाँ ठीक है. So under हाँ ठीक है. ठीक ठीक है. I let's continue. Let's continue. In taking back anything. Okay, we'll go to the next sponsor, Itrani Awards, which is for the women. We're just taking 2 minutes out to correct the data. We don't want any further, confusions. We apologize. एक बार check कर लो आप. Player of the match है ना? Discount होगा इसमें क्या? Okay. So can we go ahead with Itrani first? Yeah. Okay. So we have a sponsor from Itrani, which are into jewelry and purses. Now, there are 2 awards. Woman of the Match, Divya Dasoni again. Photograph. And there are discount coupons from Itrani. Now that is for the winning team and the runners-up team. So may I request the captains to please come up and take it on behalf. Sun City and Valley of Flowers. अभी मैं मेडिक देता हूँ.
Which category?
So
PH का
under 40 भी है लेकिन.
वसीम शाह, गौरव ध्रुव above 40.
So there is a correction. Wasim Shah is the player of the tournament. Many congratulations, Wasim. So Wasim, you'll stay here. आपके लिए एक और award है from PH Medicals for your health checkup. There is a discount coupon worth 8,000 rupees. Best bowler Wasim, once more please. Best batter, right? Best batter also. Thank you, Wasim. Thank you so much. And Wasim had a tally of 193 runs. Okay. Now we have continuing with the sponsorer PH Medicals. We've got player of the match for semis. So may I call upon Ms. Sarika Singh from Sun City. For the second semi-final, may we call upon Gauri from Valley of Flowers again. For the 40 plus category, Rohan Pandya, Alpine. And for the second semi-final in 40 plus category, we have Kaushal Chandarana. Many congratulations. I am also calling upon under 40. May we have Chirag from Gokul Heaven. And Omkar Parab in the second semi-final, VU Mighty Hitters. Okay, so we finished PH, we finished Itrani, okay, Nutricor, we're most valuable. I'm coming to, moving on to another set of awards by sponsors Saffron Tree. Again for all the three most valuable players of the tournament. Divya, Priya Shetty, my apologies. Priya Shetty, Gaurav Dhruv, and Wasim once again. गौरव ध्रुव, आपने आज बैंक लूटा है भाई. Congratulations. Wasim, many congratulations. Happy birthday. Okay. Now all these categories are done. ठीक है. Sponsors का अभी winner. So पहले किसको बुलाना है? Runners आपको बुलाना है. Category wise बुलाना है. Fielders को दे दे. Best fielder नहीं है भाई. और
सब है सब है
भैया we'll start with the runner-up trophies and award distribution now. So you want to connect it now? Yes. Please come over, guys. Okay, we start with the women's category. Runners up in the women's category. May I call upon the entire team with the captain, Valley of Flowers, to take that trophy. Chalo guys. This is only for the winners. 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 Abhi khali trophy. Don't worry. Just give me a minute. Just. Don't worry. Don't. We'll do it right away. So a very competitive performance by VOF. Proud runner-ups. They take an amount of 21,000 rupees. We move on to 40 plus category now. The proud runner-up. 40 plus category. Runners-up, please. Can we have the team? Team DHVT Fighters. A tremendous display. उनकी हर एक गेम फंसी हुई थी लेकिन एक एक गेम में वो बाहर आए हैं. So lots of respect. They take 21,000 as runners up. I'll call upon Priya Shetty. Now, can we have the player of the tournament again? Priya Shetty. नहीं नहीं एक सेकंड पहले इनका क्या हाँ तो यहाँ से दे दो ना अरे वी डिसाइडेड ना She's the play. See, I can't be louder than this right now. She's the player of the tournament in the women's category. We go in for the runners-up category, under 40. Okay. View mighty hitters. Can I request the captain and the team to come forward? Can we get Pranay? Divya, why don't you? Thank you. Okay, abhi finally main trophies pe na. So now we move on to the main trophies. Can I call upon the winning team, the captain of the winning team in women's category to take the big award, please? Hina? Team. It's a much sought after occasion. Many congratulations. बहुत बढ़िया खेले आप. बहुत बढ़िया. बधाई हो. शफी भाई से They take cash prize of 31,000 rupees. Many congratulations again. So proud winners here. We move on to the next category. When we started our first version, they were the proud winners then. It has come to a full circle, and let me invite Alpine as the proud winners of above 40.
वो बाद में एक और पहनाएगा ना, अंडर 40 एक और कैटेगरी है, प्रणय पहना देगा। आदो को ये पहनाएगा, मेडल आई। एक दे दो ना, अब 40
पहले यही दे दो, बाद में ट्रॉफीज दो।
रिपेन कैप्टन
Well played once again.
well played
Congratulations. And finally, to a new winner, welcoming the new winner in the under 40 category. So, may I request the team, the captain, for Gokul Heaven as proud winners of under 40. Big cheer for them. Okay, that completes TVCL 4.0. We thank you everyone for your participation. Let us remember that there were 110 matches played in 2 days. It was a record-breaking feat. Thanking everyone here. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you from all of us.